Hi, it's Chris. I'm back for another quick and easy watercolor tutorial. Today I'm doing a motivational quote, and this one's really important for all artists to remember. After all, imposter syndrome is real. So even if you don't call yourself an artist yet, this will be a great way to get started. First, I lightly lettered in my quote with a soft pencil on watercolor paper. Then I got to work on the background. I used a lighter watercolor paint on purpose and started with a watery mixture, then came back with more color on my brush to add some beautiful brush strokes. This really adds character to your piece, especially with this big flat brush that makes really bold strokes. After my background was dry, I chose a darker, more vivid color for the lettering so it would pop off the page. I don't consider myself a letterer because my handwriting is pretty rough, but I went with it anyway and I ended up pretty happy with the result. I did a script, but you can go with block lettering or any other style. Afterwards, I hung it in my studio as a reminder. On those hard days, it's really nice to see something motivating. If you try this project, let me know in the comments below. You can find me at octopusconnection.com or at octopusconnection on social media. If you enjoyed this project, give me a like. And if you want more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button to be notified when I post a new video. Well, that's it for today. Bye for now.